Alright, you guys, so, hello, well, let me start with my intro. Alright, hello, you guys, CS Urban here, and if y'all seen my, if you've seen my thank you video, then you know, what the heck? How did they even move this wood from right, then y'all would know that I have found a chicken turtle, and I decided I was gonna keep it for a couple of days. There it is. Now, I did not have my phone on me to show y'all how and where I caught it, but I caught it in the marsh. It's a nice small one. I've decided to keep it for like a day or two. But yeah, not much to say really. I'll show y'all, I'll give y'all like a representation. Focus on, focus. Don't focus on the turtle. There we go. But I would like make a quick video to show you how I caught it. And that would be the day that I let it go. So right now this is like a day or two before I let it go. Well, not right now. Today's the day that I caught it, but y'all see the video like a day or two from now. Dang it, focus phone, focus on what's in front of you. Alright, my phone's not focusing and it's aggravating. Alright, there we go. But yeah. So, I'm back, like 2 to 3 days later. And I'm on my way to let it go. And when I was leaving, I realized you could really see its yellow patterning. I can't really see if you could see it because of the glare on my phone, but man, chicken turtle. It was really cool to keep this guy for a little bit. But yeah, can you see its markings on the shell? It's kind of orange or something. But yeah, I'm on my way to let it go. Back where I found him. And I thought about doing the whole demonstration thing, but it's simply this. This is simply what happened. I was walking through the water, and I saw a shell, thought it was a painted turtle, realized there wasn't no painted turtles in Florida, found out it was a chicken turtle by the shape of its shell. But doesn't it look like a painted turtle a little bit from far away? Ooh. I like to run through. Hold up. Sorry, you guys. A female has startled me. But yeah, I'm about to go out here. Let it go. But this is where I found it, so it's all good. Pretty sure y'all remember this place. Well, it's drying up. Wearing my purple shoes. And look at how much the grass has grown. Ooh. Can't really see under the water because of the glare. But that's okay. Ooh. Alright, well, I'm gonna pause it and wait till I get to the spot. So, I'll be back. Alright, so I took a little bit of spider. Shoot. But I took the time to look through the place before I let it go. Look at that. Beautiful. But yeah, I'm gonna let it go. Right over here. Alright, so see ya, chicken turtle. Beautiful pattern. Go ahead. Kind of looks like a peninsula cootie too. Go ahead. Go. Just gonna sit there. Oh wait, there it is. I don't know if y'all can see it, but its face is right there. Whew, my phone was underwater. Alright, get off the lens. Yeah, it's right there. Alright guys, see you surfing here. See you in the next video. Peace.